right. Here's a 2013 Inception Quickie, 10:46 Eastern Standard Time. It's still early. It's Thursday. Grab a beverage. We'll get some weird breaks. Here's everybody up in it. Good to see Chal back, too. Yep. Good to see him back. I didn't recognize the name because everybody gets their own username, but... All right. I do... I might have it. I might have a pack of something weird. All right. Here you go. There are two? No, just one. First card, DeMarco Murray. 156, 199. I meant to, AD. Richard Sherman. It's going to Seattle. Ryan Tannehill going to Miami. Chambord Relics. Then you got Richard Sherman, 34/75. Then you got a nice Keenan Allen, 6/25. So that's a shorter print. It's the Inception Elements. That's going to Joey Z. There you go, brother. Nice little hit there. And I like it. Niall Davis, and that's card number 1/50. So KC Stoops. There you go, buddy. And last but not least, Jordan Reed, 62/75. So I like that Niall Davis. I feel like that's 1/50. He read a little extra 35 on there. Nice on-card autos. So nothing too crazy in there, but like I said, that's just a cheapie, little quickie. You know how that goes. All right, let me go ahead and save that.